I decided to make this video because on January 18 Donald Trump launched his own memecoin. It was almost impossible to buy it in the first few minutes to secure the official 20,000% profit, but by the time it was listed on centralized exchanges, half on Twitter was already talking about it. Almost anyone could buy it on DX and earn at least 5-7x profit based on the current price of $70 per coin. However, it turns out that very few people know how to properly use tools for buying meme coins, what pitfalls exist, and how to do it the right way. This video was created specifically for those people. Enjoy watching. Let's start with the basics. What are meme coins? Meme coins are cryptocurrencies created based on jokes, memes, or internet culture. They usually lack serious utility or technical value, but gain popularity thanks to their humorous concept, loud marketing, and community support. Among the popular ones, you have likely heard of Doge, Shiba, or the recently hyped Trump. If they don't have much inherent meaning, why do people buy them? While there are cases where people buying meme coins to support a community. The main reason is almost always the same: to make a profit. Meme coins are high-risk assets, where you can either lose all your money quickly or become a dollar millionaire overnight. Blockchains for launching meme coins. There are several popular blockchains for launching meme coins, which serve as the foundation for the life of the project. To simplify, think of them as different operating systems like Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, etc. Each with its own unique, though sometimes similar, way of functioning. The same way applies to blockchains. Some are faster, some are more popular, while others offer lower transaction fees, among other differences. Among the popular blockchains for launching meme coins are Solana, Ethereum, Tron, Base, and Binance Smart Chain. The market leader has been and remains Solana, which is the blockchain where the Trump token was launched. Platforms for launching meme coins. There are many platforms for launching meme coins, where anyone like you or me can create their own meme coins with just a few clicks and a few dollars in fees. The main platforms include PumpFun, SunPump, GrayFun, and so on. We won't dive deeper into this topic, as this video is focused on how to buy, sell, and find profitable meme coins, not on creating them. However, if you are interested in a video about creating meme coins, let me know in the comments. Stages of meme coin development. The creator starts by launching a meme coin on a chosen platform and blockchain. Liquidity pool formation. Next, a required liquidity pool is collected for the coin. At this stage, the coin is already launched, but to pass the initial filter, it needs to secure starting capitalization, for example $30, $40, or $50,000. Essentially, a certain number of people need to purchase the coin. This can even be done by the creator using one or several wallets. Listing on DX platforms. Once liquidity is secured, the coin gets listed on the centralized exchanges, DX. For Solana, example include Radium, Jupiter, and others. Growth and small CX listings. From here, the coin's future depends on the founders. If the coin continues to grow, its market capitalization increases, the community expands, and new plans are introduced, there is a good chance the meme token will be listed on smaller centralized exchanges, ranked around 10th or higher globally. Listing on top-tier exchanges. If project sustains growth, it may eventually reach top-tier exchanges like Bybit or Binance. And here, between these stages, specifically after a meme coin gets listed on a DEX and before it reaches a CEX, lie potential 1000% in profits. However, this is only possible if you are patient and have a deep understanding of community and project analysis. That said, the reality is that so many of these coins are created and their prices fluctuate so wildly that even during the early stages it's possible to turn a few $1,000s into a few thousands. For these, there are special tools like GMGN, which we will be discussing in today's video. First, you will find the link to the website in the description. Make sure to use that specific link because there are many fake platforms created to steal your money. What is GMGN? It's an incredibly powerful tool that collects data on all meme coins launches across various platforms, analyzes them, and makes all of these publicly available. Let's start by analyzing the main page of the website. Meme. There are 3 columns. New creations. These are tokens that were created just seconds ago. Here you can see how many are being created every second. Completing. These are tokens approaching the first milestone of gathering the required liquidity pool for DEX listing. Completed. These are tokens that have already gathered their liquidity pool and have been listed on a DEX. Here is where it gets interesting. In each column you can configure specific filters. For example, you can filter tokens to ensure they have social media platforms, a specific capitalization size, volumes, holders, and more. What information is available if we take any random meme coin from these columns? We can see when the token was created, its address, the percentage of the total supply held by the top 10 holders, the percentage held in developers' wallets, and the percentage held by insiders. GMGN automatically highlights which values are good and which are bad. For example, if a token has a red run status on the developer's icon, it means the creators have already sold off all their tokens, which could indicate a negative outcome. We can quickly navigate to the token's social media, check the number of holders, bots, trading volumes, and the project's capitalization. The meme tab is ideal for those who can quickly react and make decisions about a particular token based on data from GMGN, enabling instant speculation. In addition to analyze newly created or existing meme coins, GMGN also offers a copy trading feature. For those who don't want to analyze coins themselves, they can explore the accounts of various traders flipping meme coins, review their results, and copy all their trades. Traders can be filtered by their profitability over different time periods, and so on. Essentially everything that is possible in classic copy trading on an exchange. A dedicated video about copy trading meme coins is definitely needed, so if you're interested, leave a comment and we will make it happen. There is a trending tab, which essentially describes its purpose in the name. Don't be intimidated by the many columns. It's actually very simple. Here you will find list of coins that are currently trending. You can see the top coins over the past 24 hours, 1 hour or even 1 minute. Currently the Trump token holds the top spot. Right in the columns, you can see information such as the age of the meme coin, the liquidity and market cap size, the number of holders at the moment, the number of transactions per hour, the number of buys and sells, the trading volume, the price and how it changed over 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour. And in the far right column, you can make a quick purchase. We will explain how to do this later. Let's open the Trump token for example and see what's inside. We see a classic price chart like on any exchange, and below it Transactions of buys and sells are flying by every second. But here is the most interesting part. We can see transfers from smart wallets as well from KOLs, VCs, whales, snipers, and even developers. For example, we can see that a wallet bought Trump in the first minutes after its creation for 1 million, and now that wallet holds $170 million worth of Trump tokens. Not a bad investment. On the right, you can instantly purchase the token. For example, I want to buy it now for 0.5 Sol. But as you can see, it doesn't work because the platform says my balance is too low since I haven't topped it up. Upon registration on the website through the link in the description, you would have been authorized via Telegram. Right after that, wallets in the Sol, Ethereum, and Tron networks would have been assigned to you for internal balance. You can change your network in the top right corner. I am currently on the Solana network since I primarily trade memecoins in this network, and the Trump token is also on Solana. To find your wallet address for deposits, go to the top right corner of the screen. You can copy it directly from there. Alternatively, after authorizing on GMGN website via the link in the description using the Telegram bot, a conversation with the site's bot will appear in your Telegram account. Simply type start and the bot will send you your wallet addresses, which you can fund to start trading. To do this, you will need to pre-purchase Solana, for example, on an exchange and transfer it to this internal wallet. If you're unfamiliar with buying cryptocurrency on an exchange, here is a short video tutorial showing how to do it in 30 seconds. How to buy crypto in 30 seconds if you are a complete beginner. Download the Bybit app from your App Store or Google Play. Register using this code to receive a bonus. In the top left, go to the account settings and complete KYC verification. On the main page, tap More, then Buy Crypto. In the top right, select the cryptocurrency you want to buy, and in the center, enter the amount you'd like to purchase. Choose a convenient payment method, for example, Apple Pay. And that's it, within a few minutes your crypto will appear in your account. As you can see on the Bybit exchange, I have prepared 0.5 Solana, which I just bought. I click withdraw, transfer my Sol to the wallet address copied from the GMGN site or bot, confirm the withdrawal, wait a couple of minutes, and voila, my 0.5 Sol has landed on the GMGN site. You can also see it in the bot near the wallet address. Now I want to buy something, I can proceed without issues. For example, let's say I bought and sold a token and now I have some Sol in my wallet. How do I return it to my exchange? Go to the Transfer Funds section in the top right menu. Click on the Withdraw tab. Open the GMGN Telegram bot. Click the Set Withdrawal Address. Enter your exchange's Solana wallet address, for example from Bybit. You will receive a notification Set Withdrawal Address successfully. Click Withdraw all Solana or enter a specific amount of Sol. Double check the wallet address to ensure it's yours. Then click OK. A few moments later, the earned Sol tokens will be back in your Bybit exchange wallet. As you can see, the GMGN platform is currently an incredible powerful tool for analyzing and trading meme coins, suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. While the interface might seem a bit complicated at first, trust me, after spending 10-15 minutes on the website, you will quickly get used to its features.